Today, we're tackling a big one: artificial intelligence, AI, and its impact on the future of work. Specifically, we'll be diving deep into the jobs that AI is likely to automate in the coming years. Buckle up, because this is a conversation that's got a lot of people talking, some with excitement, some with a healthy dose of fear. AI, a technological revolution. Let's take a step back for a second. AI has been around for decades, but recent advancements have been nothing short of revolutionary. We're talking self-driving cars navigating city streets with increasing autonomy, medical diagnosis tools that can detect diseases with incredible accuracy, and even chatbots that can hold surprisingly natural conversations. Here's the thing: AI is constantly learning and evolving. As these algorithms get smarter and more sophisticated, they're going to be able to handle even more complex tasks, blurring the lines between human and machine capabilities. Think about it. What was once science fiction is becoming a reality before our very eyes. The jobs on the chopping block. Now, let's get down to business. Which jobs are most vulnerable to AI automation? Generally, AI excels at repetitive, rule-based tasks, jobs that involve data entry. Imagine a world where mountains of paperwork are processed by AI in a fraction of the time it takes humans. Data entry clerks might find themselves facing redundancy as AI becomes adept at handling large data sets with greater speed and accuracy. Assembly line work. Robots are already a common sight on factory floors, and their capabilities are only going to improve. Assembly line workers, particularly in sectors with standardized manufacturing processes, might see their roles taken over by increasingly sophisticated robots. Telemarketing. Forget those annoying robocalls. AI-powered systems will be able to deliver targeted marketing messages with laser precision. Telemarketers who rely on cold calling might find themselves replaced by AI systems that can personalize outreach and generate higher conversion rates. Cashiering. Self-checkout lanes are becoming increasingly popular, and AI could eventually eliminate the need for human cashiers altogether. Cashiers, particularly those in retail environments with high automation potential, might need to adapt their skill sets to remain relevant. Bookkeeping. AI can meticulously analyze financial data, track expenses, and generate reports, streamlining the bookkeeping process. Bookkeepers might see their roles transformed, with a shift from manual data entry to tasks like overseeing AI systems and providing financial analysis.
City taxi and rideshare drivers. With advancements in self-driving technology and recent protests highlighting the impact on taxi workers in China, city taxi and rideshare drivers are facing a potential future where their roles are significantly diminished. The rise of autonomous vehicles could lead to a major shift in the transportation industry, impacting a large number of drivers in developed countries. Creative media, graphic designers, and video editors. Even creative fields are not immune to AI's reach. Generative AI, capable of producing images, videos, and even music, has the potential to streamline certain tasks traditionally performed by graphic designers and video editors. While AI may not fully replace human creativity, it could automate certain aspects of the creative process, requiring these professionals to adapt and develop new skills. AI job destroyer or job creator.
Hold your horses. It's not all doom and gloom. While some jobs will undoubtedly be automated, AI is also likely to create new opportunities. Here's the thing: to build, maintain, and operate these complex AI systems, we'll need a whole new workforce with specialized skill sets. Here are some of the fields that are expected to see significant growth. AI specialists. These are the masterminds behind AI development, designing, and programming the algorithms that power various systems. They'll need a strong understanding of computer science, machine learning, and deep learning techniques. Data scientists. They're the data wranglers, extracting valuable insights from the massive data sets that fuel AI applications. Data science involves skills in data analysis, statistics, and programming languages like Python and R. Cybersecurity experts. As AI becomes more prevalent, so do the security risks. Cybersecurity experts will be crucial in safeguarding these systems from cyber attacks. They'll need expertise in network security, penetration testing, and staying ahead of evolving cyber threats. Robot mechanics. With robots playing an increasingly important role in our world, we'll need specialists to maintain and repair these sophisticated machines. Robot mechanics will require knowledge of robotics, mechatronics, and automation systems. Care workers. While AI can assist with certain caregiving tasks, the human element in healthcare and social services will always be irreplaceable. Empathy, emotional intelligence, and the ability to build genuine connections remain uniquely human strengths. Care workers will likely see their roles shift to focus on providing holistic care and emotional support. The human advantage and the evolving skill set. So, what does this all mean for the future of work? The future of work isn't just about new jobs. It's about the evolution of existing skill sets. Here's why. The human advantage. There's something undeniably human that AI, for all its advancements, simply can't replicate. Our creativity, empathy, and ability to connect with others on a deeper level are irreplaceable assets. AI might be good at crunching numbers, but it can't inspire a team, negotiate a complex deal, or provide emotional support. These are the areas where humans will continue to shine. Augmenting your skills. AI can automate the mundane, repetitive tasks that bog us down, freeing us to focus on more creative, strategic endeavors. Imagine a world where doctors are assisted by AI in analyzing complex medical data, allowing them to spend more time with patients providing personalized care. Or picture a future where engineers collaborate with AI to design and build groundbreaking infrastructure projects, leveraging AI's ability to optimize design and identify potential flaws. The evolving workforce, humans and machines as partners. The future of work isn't about humans versus machines. It's about humans and machines working together. We need to be prepared to collaborate with AI, leveraging its strengths to augment our own. This might involve learning to operate alongside AI systems, understanding their capabilities and limitations. It could also mean developing skills to manage and oversee complex AI projects. Here are some ways to prepare for this collaborative future. Lifelong learning is key. Stay curious and keep yourself updated on the latest technological advancements. Take online courses, attend workshops, and explore resources that can help you develop in-demand skills. Platforms like Coursera, edX, and Udacity offer a wealth of courses related to AI, data science, and other relevant fields. Focus on transferable skills. The ability to communicate effectively, think critically, and solve problems will always be valuable, regardless of the specific industry you work in. Hone these skills, and you'll be well-positioned for success in the changing job market. Embrace upskilling and reskilling. Don't be afraid to learn new skills or update your existing skill set. There are tons of resources available online and offline to help you make this transition. Government programs, community colleges, and even some companies might offer retraining programs to help displaced workers acquire new skills. The importance of education and training. The onus lies on educational institutions and governments to adapt to this changing landscape. We need educational programs that equip students with the skills they'll need to thrive in an AI-powered world. This could involve introducing courses in AI basics, data science, and critical thinking into school curriculums at various levels. Additionally, retraining programs for displaced workers will be crucial to ensure a smooth transition into new job opportunities. The future of work with AI is exciting, but it also presents challenges. The key is to be proactive. Stay informed about AI advancements, identify the skills that will be in demand, and continuously develop yourself. Embrace lifelong learning, and don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone. By preparing ourselves, we can ensure that AI becomes a tool for progress, not a source of fear. So, that's our deep dive into AI and the future of work. Remember, AI is a powerful tool, and like any tool, it can be used for good or bad. The future we create depends on us. By embracing change, developing the right skills, and working collaboratively with AI, we can build a future where humans and machines work together to create a better world. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on AI and its impact on jobs? What skills do you think will be most important in the future? Leave your comments down below, and let's get a conversation going. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech talk, and until next time, stay curious and keep learning.